With this photograph, we are going to examine how we can create and modify a shadow. Now, the first thing that we need to do is select the area that we want to work with. And in this particular image, I want to work with the leaf. So, let's go ahead and choose the Quick Select tool. You can do so by clicking on it in the Tools panel, or you can press the W key. And here, all that we'll do is simply click and drag across the leaf in order to make a rough selection of the leaf itself. Now what I want to do is I want to remove the leaf from its background and then add a shadow behind this particular object. Well, in order to do that, all that I need to do is to simply click on the Add Layer Mask icon. Now one of the things that's great about Quick Select is that it allows us to quickly build up a selection. Yet one of the problems is that the edges don't always look very good. And let me show you what I mean. Well, in this particular case, I want to have this leaf on a white background. So I need to create a new layer. To create a new layer, typically we can just click on the new layer icon, but we all know that when we do that, it creates a new layer above our targeted layer. So if we want to be a bit of a power user and speed up this process, what we can do is hold down Command on Mac, Control on Windows, and then click on this new layer icon. That will then create a new layer underneath whatever layer you had previously targeted. All right, well, let's go ahead and double click this layer name, call this one BG for background. Then let's press Shift-Delete to open up the Fill dialog. Here, we're going to fill with white, and we'll simply click OK. All right, well, now that we have this white background rather than a transparent background, we can see that, oh no, our edges really need some work. If I zoom in here, you can see that they're just a little bit jagged and some of the edges kind of fall apart. Well, if we want to refine that mask selection, all that we need to do is to click in the mask, and then to make our way up to the mask panel, and here we'll go ahead and click on Mask Edge. This will then open up the Refine Mask dialog. Well, with just a few simple steps, what we can do is start to really sweeten this up. For example, we'll click on Smart Radius and add a bit of a Smart Radius. We'll smooth things out a little bit, add a bit of contrast, and as we do that, you can really see that this edge is starting to look really nice. Press the spacebar key, click and drag around. You can view your image. Press the P key. There's our before. Press P again. There's after. Again, already this is looking much, much better. Well, let's simply click OK in order to sweeten up or improve that mask edge. All right, well, at this juncture, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see that, yes, we have this leaf with a really nice edge on it. On this white background, we're now ready to add a shadow to this photograph, and let's take a look at how we can do that in the next movie.